Stand on one leg and hinge forward into a single leg RDL position with your back leg extended out behind you. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell on the same side as the extended leg. Feel free to use something for balance or support, such as a box. The goal is to mobilize and activate the hips, not work on balance. To perform this exercise, we're going to rotate your hips up, turning your chest outward, and then rotate your hips back down, turning your chest towards the floor or a little bit past. Go as far as your mobility allows. Repeat for the prescribed amount of reps, and then switch sides.